How to fix YouTube video captions not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and further open the video in which you are facing the caption issue. Now, tap on your screen and you will see the option for CC there. Tap on the CC option, and if the caption is enabled properly, then you will have to see the captions there. And if the caption is still not available, then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the captions option. Here, if you see unavailable, then it might be that the creator has disabled caption for that particular video. So make sure that the creator has not disabled the video caption for that particular video. Auto captions may still be processing on newer videos. Also, in settings again, tap on captions again, and you can then go ahead and manually select the English auto-generated option you see there, as YouTube auto captions may fail due to language or audio issues sometimes. You can then try to restart the video and see if that works, and if not, then it could be because the audio quality is poor, or heavy music overlaps the speech, or the video is very new. You can then go ahead and tap on your profile icon or the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right. Here, you will see the option for language. Tap on that and make sure English or any of your preferred language is selected, and then go ahead and reload the page, as sometimes wrong language settings can hide the captions. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for YouTube, and further make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the YouTube application. Also, alternatively, you can also launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to YouTube and then tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application and will help you in fixing your issue further. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube video caption not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.